London celebrates the King's official birthday with a return of pre-war pomp and circumstance. Not fully recovered from an operation on his leg, King George reviews the horse guards in London from an open carriage. Princess Elizabeth and the Duke of Gloucester follow on horseback. Brilliantly contrasted against the austere facade of the Guards Division War Memorial, the Household Brigade troops the colors in full dress. For the first time since 1939, eager throngs applaud the spectacle of towering black bearskin headgear, scarlet, blue, and gold tunics, gleaming breastplates, glittering steel. Since the reign of George I over 2 centuries ago, the King's birthday is celebrated in the month of June. The present monarch was actually born in December. On this day, wherever British forces are stationed, the Army traditionally parades in high ceremony.
Eine kurze Bilanz. Eine sehr kurze Bilanz. Nur fürs Kino könnte es ja gerade noch reichen. Plötzlich hörte ich ein Auto. Das konnte...